Mosquito-Proof Your Bedroom, a step-by-step guide.
Hello there. Today, we're going to tackle an annoying issue that many of us have had to deal with: mosquitoes in the bedroom. No one likes the idea of being a midnight snack for these pests, so let's explore some effective methods to prevent mosquitoes from hiding in your bedroom.
Why are mosquitoes in my bedroom?
Understanding why mosquitoes are attracted to your bedroom can help you in finding the right solutions. Mosquitoes are attracted by carbon dioxide that we exhale, body heat, and certain body odors. They are also drawn to stagnant water where they can lay eggs. So, if your bedroom is warm and humid, it might be a welcome invitation for these tiny invaders.
How can I make my bedroom less attractive to mosquitoes?
There are several ways to make your bedroom a no-fly zone for mosquitoes. 1. Keep it clean. Regular cleaning can significantly reduce the chances of mosquitoes hiding in your room. Make sure you dust off and clean corners, under the furniture, or any place where mosquitoes could hide. 2. Minimize standing water. Mosquitoes breed in standing water, so it's essential to avoid having any around. Check for any leakages or spots where water may accumulate. 3. Proper ventilation. Mosquitoes prefer stagnant, humid air. By ensuring your bedroom is well ventilated and the air is circulated, you make the environment less hospitable for them.
What can I use to deter mosquitoes?
Here are some options that you can use to deter mosquitoes. 1. Mosquito nets. The most traditional method is using a mosquito net around your bed. It's a simple and effective barrier. 2. Essential oils. Certain essential oils like citronella, lemongrass, and eucalyptus are known to repel mosquitoes. You can use a diffuser or spray in your room. 3. Insecticide spray. Sprays can also be used but should be done cautiously, especially if you have children or pets. 4. Electronic mosquito repellents. These devices use heat to vaporize a liquid insecticide to keep mosquitoes at bay. Mosquitoes in the bedroom can be a real nuisance, but thankfully, there are plenty of ways to prevent them from turning your room into their hideout. By following these tips, you can enjoy a good night's sleep without having to worry about any buzzing visitors. Remember, cleanliness, minimizing standing water, proper ventilation, and using deterrents are your keys to a mosquito-free bedroom. Happy mosquito hunting!